Wide-angle photography isn't about fitting more into the frame. It is about changing how the viewer feels inside the scene. And with a wide-angle lens, every small movement you make matters. One of the biggest mindset shifts is accepting perspective distortion instead of trying to avoid it. Objects close to the lens feels larger and more powerful, while the background naturally falls away. This is exactly what creates depth and immersion. When you shoot with a wide-angle camera like this Ace Pro 2, getting close is not a mistake. It's exactly the point. When you bring the camera near textures or everyday details, the image suddenly feels alive. The foreground becomes the anchor of the frame, and because the field of view is so wide, composition becomes more intentional and not less. It's easy to forget how much the camera sees. The edges of the frame matter, corners matter. Small distractions can quietly steal attention if you don't slow down and notice them. Before pressing record or taking the shot, it helps to scan the frame, especially the sides. A small step left, lowering the camera or tilting it slightly, can completely change the feeling of the image. Movement also plays a big role when shooting wide. With a camera like this, even simple motion feels cinematic. When motion is intentional, the wide perspective pulls the viewer into the scene instead of overwhelming them. Wide-angle cameras and lenses are often seen as technical tools, but they are actually very emotional. They place the viewer where you were standing or even closer. That's why they work so well for street moments, daily life, and quiet observations. You are not documenting from the outside. You are sharing how it felt to be there. Using a wide-angle camera is a reminder that photography and video don't need distance to be powerful. Sometimes being close physically and mentally is what creates the strongest images. Wide angle isn't about showing everything. It's about choosing what feels important and letting the rest fall into place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.